What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel, Mac Dr. Bill. So I want to start by saying that thanks and I appreciate every single one of you that subscribe, like, and comment. Welcome to the channel, home of the Bill, home of where I piss off my neighbors just because I got too many cars in the street. But you know what? I'm gonna keep buying cars and fill up the whole damn street. I pay insurance for every single one of them. So life continues. All right, boys. So this morning I'm energetic. It's raining. I'm cold, but we are ready. We got a spot for the new EK build coming home. I'm excited. I can't wait. I have tons of work in that car coming up here, and with the EK truck between those two cars is gonna keep me busy for the next couple months. Not to mention we got the CRX we're working. We possibly start picking up on the RX-7 as well, and the EG hatch trailer. Not to mention my EG hatch trailer hatch. So it's a little wet, a little moist, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Like I said, I end up putting the black element over there. The unicorns is out there. My new car is here. The unicorn is kind of sold. So I thought of doing two elements in the channel. Financial mistake. As much as I love my elements, I got my little issues going on with the black one. So we keeping the black one, getting rid of the unicorn khaki element. So simple, like I said. Throughout the channel now and then, there'll be a lot of bills that I acquire and we just flip them right back. Trying to help somebody out, trying to help me out. So I'm just waiting for Danny from Brooklyn this morning to get in the way and start picking up the new EK build. Alright, still got the basement to clean up. As you guys know, I changed rooms. So the motorcycle room is now the chop room, and we made this a little more accessible, boys, for those of y'all that haven't followed up. This is gonna be my workshop / little storage. Someplace where 24/7 I could be here. I know where my tools is at all times, and the parts that I'm working with, they will be here, you know, where I need them, as I need them, whether it's some motors, to headers, brakes, anything that I need to do, that I need to disassemble and quickly have it stashed here when it's not gonna be with 20 other thousand things that I can find it. This is the spot. So this is already paying up. Check out the wheels. They came with the EK truck, the Mugen style. These, to be honest, I'm gonna switch them right off the back. Y'all know me, I don't like staying with the same design, the same style as everybody. So even though they look good on the car, they are coming off the car. Most likely this is gonna go on the EK truck. I do got these wheels extra with winter tires. Don't know if I keep them for now or flip them. Possibility is that I flip them, get my money. But nothing to it. It was a good come up. I use every little bit that I can. And if it's given to me and the deal to sweeten up part of the deal, why not? And that was the case in this situation. When I talked to the guy, even in the video selling the car, he mentioned that he was keeping the front wheels, that the car was going on steelies. Maybe talking with him, maybe giving him the right amount, not low bowling. He decided to give me the wheels that was on the car and the extra wheels, so not bad at all. Again, just waiting for Danny from Brooklyn so that we could head out, and we should be on with today's journey. So without further waiting, let's get today started. All right, boys, Danny from Brooklyn is here, so it's time. Let's get it. All right, boys, check it out. Danny from Brooklyn, upgrade, better truck. He's got the monster dually. This thing is a beast. If y'all remember, I had one years ago in the channel when I first started. It used to be his that he sold it to our boy, and our boy traded me. But he's got a dually back now in the channel, along with his new trailer. We are on the zone. We are about to get going and start picking up the EK. So with that being said, let's get it. All right, sir. After towing 500,000 cars for me, how do you feel today? Do you feel confident? We got a strong team over here, right? I can't wait for your bill to come up soon. All right, boys, so we over here. Danny from Brooklyn, Jaden. Like always, they come through. My peoples, my family, my brothers. We are ready. Take the new EK back home. Start working right on it. By mistake, I forgot the keys. Luckily, we were able to push it. We could load it up and take it home. Start working on it. Time is ticking. No time to waste. Especially with this weather, this bipolar. So, yeah. Let's get to it. All right, boys. Time to head back to the crib. Let's get it.
Este está bien. Ese que tiene. Eso es lo que te dije, que no te dejes llevar por la goma, eso, échalo allá. Póngalo duro con la pierna. Ese va. Vente aquí, no la lámpara. Ahora yo lo enderezco acá.
Ya se quedó laqueado.
¿No está laqueado?
Sí. Ya subió ahí.
Nos arrastramos porque como él es bala.
Ajá.
Allá está bien.
Again, thank you to Danny and Jaden from Brooklyn. They're always coming through. True friendship right here, boys.
Ahora. Nos arrastramos ahora acá. So many years ago.
No, the first thing they told you, chacho, cabrón, está lloviendo. Mira dónde estamos nosotros.
Vamos a la hora.
Look at that.
I learned this in jail.
And I built like us. They don't know nothing about it. Shit. It really look good in there, boys. Not gonna lie. Uno se motiva. Son par de técnicas que nadie sabe, ¿viste? We are on the docks over here. What we gotta say for the camera, Danny? Let them know.
Everybody can blow me on this.
There you go. Everybody wanna be like Danny. Everybody wants the trailer. Everybody wanna tow cars now. But the true OG that's been doing it for a long time. I don't care what anybody else got. Nobody's eating on my fucking plate. That's it. I keep business, family-wise. I stay on my lane with the people that always help me. They have never changed. All right, check out the rig. Danny's new truck, the dually. Beast. It's a true machine right here. All right, so car is finally to its new destination. Black a little bit where the car used to live for the last couple weeks, months. My boy was working here at the Midas. He had it here. If you ever see this video, thank you, my brody, for hooking me up and blessing it up. I promise the EK legacy will continue. And since I'm considering this is his car, that brick happened to be there. I want nobody to break a window. So common thing, I just gonna hit this shit because this thing was like holding the tire of my car. Call consideration, you know, before anybody come and throw that shit out of the car, put it away, do what's right.
Gracias a Dios, ya tú sabes, trabajando. Sí, yo sé. ¿Y qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó después del fusible? Ahora, ¿me oye? Oh, ahora, dime otra vez después de los fusibles. Ajá. Ajá.
Dale, así mismito. Dale, que se fue, así. Derecho, dale. Perfecto, dale así mismito. Ahí. All right, boys, so we got the EK home, finally, home. Feels good, looks good in there. Even though we got a lot of work to do, but the car is home along with the EK truck. Could start working on it, start doing my things. I'm already motivated, I'm already pumped. So that's pretty much gonna be a wrap. Car is home, as I said, you guys see, I'm excited. It's too early, it's not even 10 in the morning. That's the kind of time that we are, so we could continue and take advantage of the day. All right, boys, I hope this video is inspirational, some type of shape or form. $300 pickup, blown Civic. We got the donor motor on the EK truck. We're gonna start picking up soon on this car, start working right off the back. It's my priority to get this car running so that I could use it for work, not just the project. So I've been excited for a minute, waiting to get another Honda Civic, especially at EK, being that I never get to enjoy them. I will sell them or do something. So this one, I'm looking forward to build up, ground up one by one. So take some time, but I want to put in the time from the body work, of course, bringing you guys content, doing the quarter panels, the rocker panels, restoring it completely. The swap itself, I'm gonna do myself. the motor, transmission, the clutch, swapping it from this one to this one, so stay tuned. I'm excited. Yeah, been a long time waiting for a project of this magnitude where I have everything to get it done. It's just a matter of just putting the time and get it done. So I'm hyped and I'm pumped. With that being said, I'm gonna wrap it up here. I thanks and I appreciate every single one of you for subscribing, liking, commenting, staying tuned. Till the next time, peace.